Now let's talk a bit more about withdrawal fees. There are currency exchange fees and provider fees. First, click Withdraw on your home dashboard. If you're withdrawing in a currency that doesn't match your contract currency, like in this example, exchange fees and rates will apply. You can check the details by clicking this icon here. These fees and rates will vary depending on available processors and foreign exchange market rates that could shift during the payment processing. You do have the option of withdrawing your deal balance in your contract currency, so our exchange fees and rates will not be applied. However, it's important to first check what currencies are accepted by your bank or wallet account. Otherwise, your bank or wallet provider may automatically exchange the payment into an acceptable currency for your account and then apply their own exchange fees. Please note that the withdrawal of any currency into a cryptocurrency through Coinbase will always have an exchange fee. No matter which type of withdrawal method you choose, we will be transparent and share the exact breakdown of anticipated costs, such as the provider fees and the exchange fees here. Also, you do not have to withdraw all your funds at once. You can edit the amount that you want to withdraw every time. This means that you can withdraw your balance across a range of withdrawal methods and currencies so you can access the funds exactly how you want to. Another note is that you must withdraw your funds within 30 days of receiving them in your Deel balance. If you don't withdraw within 30 days, the funds will be sent back to your client. Now the big question, how long do withdrawals take? First off, when you withdraw your funds, we always provide an estimated time of arrival for when your funds will be available in the destination account. On average, the processing times for local bank transfers is 1 to 3 business days. For Swift, 3 to 7 business days, and for the other digital wallets, 1 business day.